How to add products to Wix website. To add products to Wix website, you have to install the Wix app known as Store app. Just like on WordPress you add WooCommerce, right? The plugin on Wix also it's pretty much the same. So when you're on the edit site page of Wix right here, in my case I've already added it, but just in case you haven't, you can just click the add elements button here, use the search bar right here, and in the search bar just go ahead and then search for store. So when you search for store, you'll find product widget, get widget, but what the main one we want is Wix Stores right here. So just go to this Wix Stores option that you would be able to see here, and then just click on the add button. Now in my case I've already added it, so you're seeing this option, but you'll also find the install button if you haven't added it. So once you've added the Wix Store application within your Wix website, you will then be able to go ahead and then label all these products one after another. Right here you can see the add elements section. Here you can see all these options where you'll be able to choose a certain product. So you can go to this product like icon here, and over here you will be able to add other products just like that. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then add products on Wix Stores or anything like that. So here you can go to Wix Stores right here, and from here you can go to manage products, and from manage products you'll then be able to add your products. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.